Guys, we have an absolutely mega 3 weeks coming up. We've just got to get through this week. We're just back from a little weekend trip for the 4th of July out east.
Who's on Ox?
And then we've got some bikes heading across the pond. And you'll see that in next week's episode, not this week's. But we've got an absolute mega week. We need to lock in. We've got a long list of to-dos. New lens for those interested in camera stuff. This is a Sigma 10 to 18, which full frame equivalent is like 15 to 27 mil. It's like a bit more wide angle. It is a zoom lens, so I do have some like flexibility on what focal length I'm at. So like, that's 18 mil, and that's back to 10. But full frame equivalent, it's like 15 to 27. I really like it so far. It's lighter. It's a little bit smaller. I can't find a good pancake lens that fits this L mount and full frame. So I think this is the kind of the setup for vlog and probably some cycling stuff. I do like having some of the big lenses on for some of that type of stuff. We're still going to run the DJI Osmo Nano for a lot of the cycling stuff, but the scenery is going to be too perfect to not have two cameras on body at all times. So we got to lock in. We got a long list of things to do. But we're still going to ride the bike this week. We're not going to avoid riding the bike because we have things to do. So we'll see when the weather breaks and we get out for a ride. Ride time. I think we're going to do maybe a lap at Alpine if I can make it there in time. And then we're going to pop into Central Park and maybe do a lap or two with the Rubber and Road folks. See you out there.
I needed to lose you to love me one chance. You had your doubt.
Alright, we're making our way. We cut through the park. Now we're on River Road. Or not River Road, Riverside. Let's go.
I needed to lose you to love me one chance. It was breaking me slowly. I needed to hate you to love me. And now I'm losing control again. To
I didn't have nearly as much time as I thought I was going to have.
one chance. It was breaking me slowly. I needed to hate you to love me. And now I'm losing control again.
Grossly misjudged timing in order to make it to Central Park by 8. But that's okay. I'm gonna just do a couple of whatever these little hills are right under the bridge. But it's a really pretty day. So we're gonna rip 2 or 3 more reps and then head back over to the park. Probably won't stay for all their laps tonight, but maybe 1 or 2 because we gotta get home and get ready.
One chance. It was breaking me slowly. I needed to hate you to love me.
I pretend like I can hang with fast people. I'm just simply not fast. We made it up Harlem Hill near the front, but I kind of knew I was gonna blow up right there, so that's exactly what happened. It's too dark to film since I had the ND still on the Osmo, so we're just getting iPhone clips right now. But shout out to Rubber Road and the night lapse. Park was really busy, a little sketchy, but a good crew and a good pace. I've almost died like 3 times today. I need to like roll home. All right, we'll see you home.
All right, guys, we're back from the Rubber and Road laps. I'm absolutely cooked. I think I'm gonna go throw up in the toilet. I've got my brother talking to me in the headphones. Everyone say, "What's up, Shiny boy?" And we'll see you at the next scene. I don't know what it's gonna be. Agenda this week. Already done. Mullet. Fresh. We've got to clean the bike, wax the chain, refill sealant, because I'm pretty sure it's all dried up at this point. We've got to prep a bunch of camera stuff. We've got to pack. I've got to figure out how to put my bike in the bike bag that I have, because I've never used it and it's just been sitting behind my bed for quite a while at this point. So hopefully the bike fits in there all snug and it makes it to its destination safely, because it's gonna be quite warm. Apparently there's a heat wave over there. All right, so I'm sitting here editing the video and I've decided that I'm not gonna tell you where I'm going, so you have to watch next week's episode. But it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be epic. We're just gonna call it a vlog now. And tune in. Follow along on Instagram as well. I'll put some teasers out when I start to travel. At This Is Ming on Instagram. So tune in to the vlogs. I know it was a couple days late last week. It was my birthday. Cut me some slack and it was a holiday. But we're back, regularly scheduled, Thursday, 11 a.m. See you there.
So I'm looking through my memories, falling into jealousy. How can I miss you? Really just my enemy. Breaking apart, but I gotta hold my legacy. And I don't